Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I want to give you an update on my experiences with the Galaxy Watch Ultra after using it for about 2 weeks now. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I want to give y'all an update on my experiences with the Galaxy Watch Ultra for using it for the last 2 weeks now. I just wanted to share my experiences with everyone. Again, your experience with the watch may be a little bit different. You may do a little bit more exercising or something like that. You may have a different battery percentage or battery life on your watch. So please share that in the comments below. Also, if you decide to pick it up or if you're thinking about it, let us know that in the comments too. I love interacting with everybody in the comments, so let's just have a friendly discussion. I know online some people love the watch, some people are hating on it. It is what it is, but for me, I'm gonna start with the things I like. The first thing is just the build quality of it. Man, it looks nice. It's a perfect size. Maybe a little bit big for some people, but I do love the size of it. I love the color that I got too. I know they have the one with the orange accents on there. That one looks good too with the orange band. Not gonna hate on any of the colors, but just the overall build quality is really good. The buttons are nice and tactile and easy to press. Everything about this screams quality. I love what they did with the watch bands, how easy it is to get on and off. I wish a lot of other companies would do that, but the overall build of this device is great. The only thing they're missing is the physical, bezel there, but it's okay. You had the virtual one where you can move everything around, and it works pretty good. It works really good, but I do miss the physical one. But overall, the build quality is really good on here. Have no complaints about the build. Battery life has been really good. I can get about 3 days of battery life on this watch at all times. Now, you may get something a little bit different if you run a lot or use GPS a lot. When I was walking around the track trying to track my steps and everything, yes, the battery seemed to die a little bit quicker, but everyday use as just a regular watch with, updates and notifications, I can get about 3 days of battery life, which is really good. That's even better than what I was getting on the Galaxy Watch Classic, the 6. So battery life is good. The overall software experience is really good on here. Have no really complaints about the software or anything like that. It's smooth. Everything operates the way it should be. The only complaint I would say about the software is, again, they don't release all of the apps on here with Google Play, and I know Apple Watch, the Ultra, and just the regular watch can do so much more with the apps. So maybe one day Samsung and Google really will get a partnership going and release more apps for that. But if you're into running, hiking, biking, there's a bunch of apps that you could download and get into your watch here. So I love the controls on here. I know Samsung in the past, they haven't been too accurate about steps, heart rate, oxygen. All that stuff has been a little bit less than what you say that you would want on a watch. I don't know what they did. I think they added more sensors down here, but everything seems to be a little bit, I'm having trouble with this thing on here. They actually seem a little bit more accurate now. Like I said, I have a little heart rate monitoring thing with the oxygen, and it's pretty close. Especially if I put the watch further up my wrist, then I can get better accuracy with the oxygen, also with the heart rate. Tracking it GPS-wise, step-wise to the Apple Watch, it was pretty close too. Maybe a couple steps away from what the Apple Watch was actually counting. Miles were pretty close too. When me and my daughter went walking around the track the other day. So the accuracy has really improved with the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, which is very important when you're trying to use it. If you didn't have, say, the Watch Ultra or the Apple Watch Ultra or any other device, then you really wouldn't know. but this one is a lot more accurate than, say, the 6 Classic ever was. I love the support from the bands that you can get. Like, this is the silicone band I reviewed already. This is the professional stainless steel. You can pick up the one from Samsung, which I still need a review. I haven't used this one. You got cases for it, you know. So there's many different things that you have support on this watch already too, which is important. All plays together with the Samsung ecosystem. Now, some people will say the watch is big, and let me put it on my wrist. So here it's on my wrist. So if you have a small wrist, then yeah, it may be a little bit too big for you. You can get the Watch 7, but for me, it's not that big. And I love this watch band too. Better than the one that Samsung had on there too. But overall, I'm really enjoying it. It pairs good with the Wear System app that they have from Samsung. So there's no complaint in the software system, no complaint in the batteries. The build quality is good. The screen can get super bright. It's easy to see in the daylight time. The little action button you can set up. Like I said, I have it to turn on a flashlight. At the middle of nighttime, you don't know how great that feature is to have. I don't want to pick up my phone. I can just click my watch twice and I have a flashlight there. So overall, I am enjoying it. I mean, yeah, I'm glad I picked it up. I did try to make a phone call on here, or use it instead of using my phone, and it sounded okay. I mean, it wasn't the best, but it wasn't the worst either. It got pretty loud, and my kid could hear me on the other side, so he said the microphone sounded pretty well too. So I was pretty impressed with that. But usually I'm carrying my phone around anyway. I'm not going to really talk on my watch, but it is what it is. I don't have LTE, so I can't tell you like how battery life is with LTE. I can't tell you how strong the signal is. I don't have the LTE feature on there, but Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, it's really working out well for me. The only complaints I have, like I said, physical bezel would be cool just to have that feature. The digital one works. I mean, you get used to it. It is what it is. Then also, I wish, you know, apps would be better on here. Just different apps that you could use to start your car. Just, I mean, banking apps. Many different apps on here could be a little bit better. But those are the really two complaints. I can't even complain about the price, because even at $649, it is still about $200 cheaper than what you can pick up the Apple Watch Ultra for. And I didn't pay $649. I paid like $299 or $250. I forgot exactly what I paid for it. So y'all let me know. These are my thoughts about it. I am enjoying it so far. It's been a great thing to have and use. If you, like I said, if you picked it up, let me know. Let me know your feelings in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Watch Ultra, also the Z Fold 6, the Flip 6, anything else. Just stay tuned to the channel. Follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.